Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to keep screen on Infinix Note 30 and NFC device. First thing first, you go to the settings menu. You can scroll down and you can choose the display and brightness option. Again now, if you want to keep your screen on, you can enable this function by tap this button. Okay? After activate it, and then your screen will always on. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to keep screen on Infinix Note 30 and NFC device. And just for your information, that this method you can also apply on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.